Happy Vespa Day everyone, this is Franco Marico and we are now in the tent here at Gatchalian, Las Piñas City. As you can see inside, it was full of fun. Andyan ang pangalan ko sa listahan. Ayun, binigyan tayo ng raffle ticket but unfortunately di tayo nanalo. Ang gaganda ng mga Vespa na bago. Meron din mga classic. As you can see, may GS. Wow! Vespang Vespa. Ayan ako. Tuwan-tuwa. The event lasted like from 12 noon until almost 8 in the evening. Grabe. Daming pumunta. Daming personalities. Andyan ang banda. Yon. See you next time.